Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the most luxurious, futuristic, and mind-blowing vehicles on the road. Today we're stepping inside the all-new 2026 GMC Savana Motorhome. And let me tell you, this is not just a van with some upgrades. This is a complete transformation into a rolling luxury apartment that will leave you in shock. At first glance, the GMC Savana looks familiar, keeping its bold and strong exterior design. But the moment you open the door and walk inside, it feels like entering another world. The living space is the first thing that grabs your attention. You're welcomed by plush leather seating, a wide layout, and panoramic side windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The ambient LED system adjusts automatically, giving you warm tones for evening relaxation and bright, modern lighting for daytime travel. It sets the tone of comfort and sophistication. From there, the design flows seamlessly into the kitchen area. This isn't a cramped camper setup. It's a fully functional modern kitchen. You'll find a deep stainless steel sink, an induction cooktop, a compact oven, and even a smart refrigerator that adjusts cooling based on how much you load inside. Every inch of space is optimized, and yet it feels uncluttered, stylish, and ready for serious cooking. Imagine preparing your favorite meals on the open road with this kind of setup. Next, let's step into the bedroom zone. This is where the motorhome becomes a true home. You're greeted with a queen-size memory foam bed designed to rival any hotel. Ambient lighting surrounds the frame. Overhead storage is smartly integrated, and there's enough closet space for long trips without compromise. It's cozy, private, and the perfect retreat after a day of travel. The bathroom is equally impressive. Forget the typical cramped RV bathroom. The 2026 Savana offers a walk-in shower with glass-style panels, a modern sink setup, and a cleverly designed space-saving toilet. Chrome fixtures and sleek finishes make it feel like you're stepping into a spa rather than a vehicle. And then comes the technology on the true game changer. Smart touch panels throughout the motorhome allow you to control lighting, climate security, and entertainment with just a tap. Solar panels on the roof provide off-grid energy, while advanced battery systems ensure uninterrupted comfort. This means you can stay connected, charged, and fully powered no matter where your journey takes you. The 2026 GMC Savana Motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about freedom, style, and redefining what comfort on the road means. It's built for adventurers, families, and anyone who wants to experience the world without sacrificing luxury. So buckle up, because this is more than a motorhome. It's a transformation on wheels. If you enjoyed this exclusive inside look, make sure to subscribe to Auto Plus for more epic reviews and tours of the most insane vehicles on the planet.